Hi everyone, my name's Jason Blackman and I'm from an accountancy practice called Just Pure. I've been in practice for about 20 years now and I'm based in Lewes in East Sussex. If you'd like to contact me, my email address is in the bottom left corner of the screen and my website is in the bottom right. Now every Monday I produce a clip for sole traders and you'll recognise that on my YouTube channel from the blue clips and they'll appear every Monday. They're also part of a playlist, so if you just look on the Sole Trader playlist you'll see my entire history. Today I'm just going to mention a quick point which I think is quite important about when you're charged for your tax return as a sole trader. And the topic is, should you pay for individual pages of your tax return? Now a typical sole trader, when they complete a tax return, they always need an additional page to the standard tax return, and that's of course the self-employed page. Pretty obvious, but you do need to be careful if you're hiring an accountant, as some do charge for additional pages. Now bear in mind, if you have a sole trade and you're also employed, so let's say you have a small sole trade business on the side as it were, but your main income is from employment, then you'll have 2 additional pages to your tax return. Now, as I just said, some accountants may charge an additional fee for this. So you may get charged a flat fee for, say, your tax return, but you'll also get charged for any additional pages. So whether that's a self-employed page or an employed page, or if you've got a property, that you may get charged for that as well. So in other words, if you had a full-time job as employed, you'd need to fill out an employed page. If you have a small business on the side as well, you'll need a self-employed page too. And if you have a property, you'll need a land and property page as well. So that's 3 additional pages. And some accountants may charge you additional for this. Now here at Just Pure, we don't charge for additional pages at all. We don't think it's fair. As I said, if a client has an employed page and a self-employed page, most of the time if they're employed as well, the sole trade's just a sort of small part-time earning and doesn't require much work, and we don't think it's fair to penalise the client based on this. So our fees for a sole trader even equate to less than £19 plus VAT per month. Now, as you can tell from that, we do like to collect payment on a monthly basis, but once the client signed up for the direct debit, the fees don't change. And for a typical sole trader, we charge a flat fee of £19 plus VAT a month. And if they have additional pages, we don't make any extra charge. That's the total, however many pages are included in the tax return. So I hope that's been beneficial. It's a very quick clip today, but it's just to make the point that you do need to be careful as a sole trader. When hiring an accountant, just please do make sure that you're not going to be charged for every single additional page of your tax return. Because obviously, as I said in the beginning, the tax return can sometimes be just a flat fee, and any additional pages that you need, such as self-employment, employment, land and property, etc., you could be charged an additional fee for. We don't at Just Pure. £19 plus VAT per month covers everything. If you need to contact us, or if you'd like to contact us for more information, my email address, justpurelewis@gmail.com, bottom left corner of the screen, and our website, accountantlewis.co.uk. Click on that to drop us a line. And if you've appreciated this video, if you found it helpful or beneficial, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please click on the subscribe notification and hit the bell to receive updates of any future clips that we do. And as I say, every Monday we produce a sole trader clip, and if you look through the channel, they're the ones in blue, and we have created a separate playlist for it just to make it easier for you. Hope that's beneficial. Take care. Speak to you soon.